Hi everyone, I'm Shinji. Today, I'd like to share some dramatic changes I've experienced with my internet setup here in Chiang Mai. The title is Boosting My Internet with AIS. I'll be showing you a real-world performance comparison against the budget provider I was using before. Up until now, I had been using a plan costing 321 baht per month, which I signed up for at my previous apartment. The speed was 70 Mbps, and at the time, I thought that was enough just for watching YouTube. But in reality, there were times every month when the internet would suddenly cut out. As a video creator, waiting for that loading circle to spin was incredibly stressful. So I decided to make a fresh start and switched to AIS Fibre, a major carrier. I'm now on the Broadband 24 plan for 499 baht per month, which included the installation of a brand new Wi-Fi 6 router. Take a look! The results are in, and the download speed hit a staggering 324 Mbps. Compared to my previous setup, that is a massive speed increase of approximately 4.6 times. Thanks to this upgrade, I hardly ever deal with connection issues anymore. Now, regarding the costs you might be wondering about, the 4,800 baht installation fee was actually 0 baht thanks to a special promotion. Payments and account management are all handled smartly through the myAIS app, making the whole process incredibly easy. And as a YouTube creator, what impressed me the most was this speedometer feature. When I switched to Overdrive Upload, uploading videos becomes lightning fast. It truly feels like magic. In conclusion, my monthly fee increased by about 180 baht. However, I feel I've gained something far more valuable, the ultimate peace of mind and speed. Of course, the blazing speed of 324 Mbps is wonderful, but what impressed me even more is that the sudden disconnections have almost completely disappeared. Before, every time the internet cut out while I was working, the small stresses would just keep building up, but now it stays constantly connected. This natural stability is what makes digital life in Chiang Mai more comfortable than anything else. If you want to eliminate the stress of your internet environment, I believe investing in a major carrier was definitely the right choice. I hope this helps you when choosing your own setup.